Hi guys, it's me again, Pherl TV. Welcome back to my humble kitchen. Welcome back to Pherl TV. So for this evening video, I would love to make a very delicious cake, but a cake which do not needs to be baked. Okay, a graham cake with the use of this. The ingredients that I will be using are mango, okay, big mango, graham crackers, okay, the Nestle all-purpose cream, the Alaska Evaporada, and last but not the least, guys, we will be using condensada, okay? Tagal ko ng assignment to, guys, na pinapagawa ni Mr. ko. I think he had bought this mango for almost a week. But, kasi hindi siya nangangamoy, kaya sabi ko, bakit gusto ko, I want to make the graham. Nangangamoy na siya. Sabi ko, why is it that this mango does not smell so fragrant as what we are expecting? Okay? Pero kung may konti na siya, nasishay lang siguro siya mag-spread ng smell niya, okay? So this evening, samahan niyo ako, guys, at gagawa tayo ng graham cake. Okay? Napakasimple lang naman gawin, guys. Samahan niyo ako at napakabilis na gawin, okay? Tara na! Pero teka lang, guys, ha? If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to give a like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to be get updated whenever I posted up a new vlog, okay? And for your information, guys, this channel is not just about cooking, okay? This channel is, the main objective of this channel is health, okay? Health, parenting. That's why from time to time, what can you witness from this channel is healthy foods, okay? I am not sharing foods which are unhealthy, okay? Because the topmost content that I want to share from this channel is from time to time a health and wellness tip, parenting tip, because this is a review for all of us from time to time, okay? Education, culinary, travel, and public updating, okay? So if you love the content of this channel, please give a like and comment and subscribe and ring the bell button in order for you to get updated, okay? So by the way, guys, another concern, if this is not your first time here in my channel, I have already my own, what is this? Apron, okay? So I'm gonna show you I'm wearing an apron. See? Yan. Di ba? Perfect? Perfect for Mamshi? Di ba? And I am selling this apron, guys, okay? I'm selling this apron for only 199 pesos, okay? But if you would love to buy into bulk order is syempre, of course, we have a discount. And the minimum order for bulk order, kasi you can resell it eh. The minimum quantity that you can order is 10 pieces for the bulk order. So avail the discount price for this apron. Okay, this apron is made from denim material. And this quality made. Okay, tingnan nyo naman guys. Pwede natin kayo mag-request small, medium, large. Papasadya natin kung large ang papasutan nyo. Pero mas maganda nga eh. Kasi ano naman siya guys, oh. Diba? Ito nga, diba? Para mas maging sexy yung susuot. Ayun, nagiging sexy ako dahil dito. Okay? So yun guys. This is the merchandise of this channel. An apron with Pherl TV, ano. You can give this apron for your friend, for your family members here in the Philippines, or if you're in abroad, okay, you can send this. I can send this apron to your beloved people, okay, your inaanak, okay? If you want them to have a beautiful apron for like this, okay? Yun naman. Tara guys, start tayo at lagyan na natin ang Nestle cream, okay? Whipping device, okay? You have to whip this. Whip it, Bobby. Okay, before using. Okay. Wow, it's yummy. Okay, so last night, okay? So, I am now about to taste check, okay? Actually, my spouse is too excited to eat. That's why, as you can see, there's already a portion which is being taken away, okay? So, mom, she will take her part, okay? I will be using this because I cannot find the slicer. Okay, so let's taste check because I will be having my snack this afternoon, guys. Okay, so this portion. And then I'm gonna put it, the mango graham cake. Yummy. Yummy. Okay. So taste check, guys. I will be now eating this one. Join with me. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Let's eat. Join with me. Let's eat. Food wrap. Okay. I hope this is not too sweet. Look. Perfect. Perfect yung tamis. Yung mangga hindi ganun katamis, okay? Yung milk na ginawa ko na parang na siya naging ice cream, guys. Parang na siyang ice cream. It's perfect, okay? Perfect for my black coffee. Give a like, comment, subscribe, and let's eat. This is so delicious. The mango graham cake. Okay? It looks like an ice cream already, guys. Okay, you can adapt the recipe if you want to. Okay? Bye-bye. God bless.